Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me this morning. And I know it's summer, but we're talking about rain because we all could use a little cool down today. And actually, did you hear the thunder where you live last night? Because it was loud and crazy. So if you heard it, let me know where you're at and if it woke you up last night. Pretty crazy storm. But today, nice and sunny, but we're still talking about rain. But first, we are going to play Spot the Quapple. So let me know if you find them. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock. The Quapples, of course, the education logo right there in the bottom left corner of your screen. The apple with the Quest Q in it. There are 5 of those hidden in this picture of umbrellas, which is the same umbrellas as right above me. Let me know if you're able to find them. Give our friends more time to join us this morning. About 20 seconds left. And 15. 10. Did you find them? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe it won't go to 1. Well, here is the answer. All 5 hidden across the umbrellas, of course, in the red umbrellas, so that could have been a hint or a clue. If you found them, awesome. If you did not, no worries. We'll play again actually next week because we will not be here on Friday, so you'll have to join us on Monday right at 9:30 so you can get in on the fun. So today, we're making our own rain clouds to better understand why it rains. And you are going to need a vase or mason jar, shaving cream, eyedropper, liquid food coloring, and you'll actually need an extra bowl to mix the colored water in before you drop it into your rain cloud. So how do you set this up? First, you're going to take that vase that's full of water and squirt a nice amount of shaving cream on the top to make your cloud. Then you'll mix up a bowl of blue tinted water. I do a few drops so you can really see the color. And of course, it doesn't have to be blue. It can be any color you want. Of course, I always say you can add glitter. And then when you're able to use the eyedropper to squeeze the colored water into the shaving cream cloud. But what is a rain cloud? Well, clouds aren't really light and fluffy like we imagine or like shaving cream. Instead, clouds form from water vapor like steam coming from a kettle. And that all forms together in the atmosphere. Adding drops to the shaving cream is like adding more water vapor in the cloud. In the atmosphere, when water vapor cools, it turns into liquid water. The rain cloud becomes heavy and it rains. In a similar way, our drops of colored water here that we're going to be adding, I'm really good at drawing, rain clouds, they make the cloud heavy, the shaving cream, and it'll rain. It'll dump the food coloring down into the water. So let's watch this happen. So of course, you put that shaving cream on there and you're gonna take your eyedropper, squeeze colored water into the shaving cream cloud. You'll just keep adding rainwater to your cloud and watch the storm take shape. Once the cloud is full of water, it will release that underneath like a rainstorm. We'll put the instructions in the comments that you can try this lesson at home. Send us your pictures and videos when you're able to make them. You can make a whole rainbow colored rain clouds in each class, which would be really exciting. If you enjoyed this, I hope you'll join me Monday because we're going to be making real clouds in a jar. And you won't want to miss it. That is Monday. We will not be here Friday at 9:30. Right here on the Quest for Success Facebook page. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.